Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel, and click on the bell icon to be updated as and when I bring in videos. And those who are not a part of my WhatsApp group can always connect at 63806 I keep bringing in as and when I get time tips over there, and I keep bringing in my videos which come later in the YouTube are always sent to the clients and my WhatsApp members first, so you can always be a part of the group to be updated as to as and when we keep sending in the new updates. So coming back to the reading, let's see how what the cards are saying today. The first card is Six of Cups. Maybe a lot of things running in your mind. You're thinking about how you will resolve your things. You're stuck somewhere with whatever has happened in the recent past or in past, because you feel, what if it happens again, and what if you will have to face the same situation that you had faced at that point of time. But I will only say every day is not a Sunday. Sometimes things go better. So the next card is saying that balance your mind and your emotions, balance your energies, because I feel that nothing is going to harm or nothing is going to go wrong. It is just your inner fear which is stopping you from stepping forward and taking the decision, because of whatever are the mistakes which has happened in the past or whatever are the hurt you have faced in the past. So that's the reason why you are not ready to work towards it. But I feel that if you work towards it, though the card shows as a single person, but I feel the person is showing light to others and the person is ready for it. The person is ready for the whatever fruits or whatever is the result which is going to come of the decision he or she makes today. So I just feel you should go with the flow. Today I feel the color will be green, if you can wear something in green. And in the morning, if you can do chant the Om Gam Ganapati Namaha by keeping some fruit for Lord Ganesha, and you chant this mantra 108 times and you seek his blessings, and then you start the day. Also, if possible, in the evening, feed a stray animal, intending that everything that is creating obstacles in your life is going away and the divine is blessing you with loads and loads of abundance. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.